Hi, Yo.
Hi, YouTube. I've missed you. Come on in. Many of you know I paused this channel to focus on some other things like my bake book club, this set, being on Crime Scene Kitchen, but most importantly, my new book, Layer Up. Come see her. Is this good flipping, Genghis?
Yes.
I want to be an excellent flipper. And you guys always asked me to show you cakes without fondant or simpler recipes, so here it is. This book is my over 20 years of baking experience in one place. You can pick a project and make a whole cake, but you can also use the recipes individually. I included a mix and match guide, so you can make all of the fillings, all of the treats inside, from brownies to cheesecake to key lime pie. You can just let this book help you open your imagination. I am beyond excited about this book because, guys, baking means the world to me, and it's not just for the reasons you would expect. I just think it brings so much joy into the world. I mean, this channel is proof of that. I want to put more of that joy out in the world and help you guys do it as well, and that is what this is. I've been able to connect with over 4 million of you through this channel, and it was the most fabulous experience of my life. My biggest dream as a cake decorator, long, long ago, was always to have a book, to have a cake book, and to have it be a New York Times best-selling book. I never knew I'd have a YouTube channel and meet all of you and have all this happen, but because that happened, I now have this book. And what a lot of people don't know is one of the #1 ways you get on the New York Times best-selling list is through pre-order sales. So I'm asking you to please pre-order this book and help me accomplish another one of my dreams. Back in the first year of YouTube, I asked all of you for 5,000 subscribers for my birthday, and you gave me 100,000 subscribers. It's a moment I'll never forget, and I owe it all to you. So I had to come back to YouTube and ask you guys, because you are the most devoted community of How to Cake It. So, and I know you love cake. Why would you be here, right? If you want to pre-order this book, there's a link below. Whoa, this is taking me back. Link below to pre-order this book. If you want to pre-order this book, click here. I still got it. I could come back any day. Now, if you'd like a signed copy of my book, then you can join me on Talk Shop Live this coming Tuesday, February 22nd at 8 p.m. EST. I'm going to be talking about the book, just like I did now, showing you some examples of what's inside, and we will be selling signed copies of Layer Up. Actually, I lied. It's not called Layer Up. It's called Layer Up, because I mean it. All the links you need are below. Just look at me. Haven't lost it.
This is so exciting. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Can't wait to see you again.
That is a truck. Guys, they're bringing the rest of the books. Oh my God. Okay, we have a really fun game that we play on our new set, and it's called, What Are Our Neighbors Doing Now? Because clearly they don't know we're filming. They're mad because they always smell the cookies and the cakes and they don't get any. And then there's the one neighbor that held our Nespresso package hostage, but we'll save that for another episode. Thank you for joining me on What Are Our Neighbors Doing Today? I can't wait to see all of you again. Thank you for your time and coming to see this video, and I hope you like Layer Up as much as I do. Wait. There's a trailer. Show them the trailer. Guys, I have a wind machine.
We've been gone for way too long, now we're finally all back again, yeah. Throw your hands up, go and tell your brothers, sisters, and your friends, yeah. We're back to it, and this is how we do it. Come and sit front row, gonna make you lose it. It's entertainment for all of your amazement. Pull your chair up and watch it. Are you ready for a good time? Get ready for the wildlife. Come and get it if you feel nice. Are you ready to come alive? We're back to it.